Hey folks, Pat D's here. Welcome to Money Me. I just want to give an update on Viacom. As you guys can see, I'm recording from my Weeble desktop screen here. If you guys are interested in signing up for Weeble, the link is down below. It doesn't cost you nothing. You can earn some free stock. So let's get into it. Well, we did a video about 10 days ago, and we bought the shares at 34. The stock today was down 17.8% to 29.58, down $6.41. We would be adding. Long term, we like this stock. We feel an analyst that came out said it was around the $45, $48. The news and they're growing their streaming customers. They have a lot of good assets. They own sports rights. They have a lot of things, honestly, that would work well if they were combined with a company like Netflix or Amazon. Not saying that's going to happen, but I would be accumulating right now. Well, it's not going to be called Viacom. That was another thing. They're changing the name to Paramount Global. Why? Who knows? These guys sit around and make these big decisions, and us little peons don't have much to say about it. But even based on, let's see what the earnings were 20 some cents versus 40. Yeah, they earned 26 cents where Wall Street wanted to see 43 cents. But full year, On the other hand, Paramount delivered tremendous, generally, basically six something a share for the full year. Yeah, everything I'm reading that this stock is cheap, so I would be accumulating it, and I'm gonna. I honestly hope it stays around this for a while. I don't have a feeling it will. Here's a daily chart. I don't think it's gonna. I don't really see staying at this price very long. Just because the assets are just worth more than a lot that it is. This is a weekly chart. Let's go. So Paramount Global is going to be called. Investors don't like its new name and updated streaming strategy. Well, I don't care. It does get confusing. Revenues rise year over year. The stock was down. One time it was down about 23%. You got some people. Viacom is changing. I'm looking at some notes here while I'm doing this. I like it. I really do. I honestly think this stock is worth $45, $50. I've liked it for years. I've been in and out of it. Have made money. Heck, I remember when the shutdown was, and it dropped down to $10 and sold out. Actually, what I sold out of was Lyft, and got into Viacom and did very well with it, actually, in 2020. Probably at one time we owned over close to 1,200 shares. Again, full disclosure, I'm a small. I like to do these videos and talk about money on this channel. I appreciate the support. You guys subscribe to me. We're not selling no courses, no fees, no subscriber. Just come and subscribe and hang out with a guy that's been doing this for 20 years, and you want to chat about stocks, investing, and I want to do more content. I've just been busy talking about different money things. I've tried to grow the subscribers and then put more content out to kind of match the subscriber base that we have. But I am not a licensed broker. I have good times and bad times. I had Roku last year. Was terrible for me. And best stock was Winnebago last year. Did very well on that stock. I do predict that the stock market will probably finish down about 15% this year. I think we are going to be back and forth, and we will get on average probably about a 30% correction. And there's a lot of stocks already down 50%. So, you know, it's happening. So, but I would start acquiring Viacom for really. I could see this stock over the next, even if it goes to 50. Let's say it goes to 50 in 2 years. Talking about 65% return. That's a good return. So my goal, the stock market typically returns about 10 to 12% over the 10-year average. I try to shoot for a 30% goal is what I tried to do for the whole year. 3 out of 4 years we did that. Last year we actually were up about 17% until November, and then just things came down and stuff like that. So I do different strategies: stocks, options, dollar cost averaging, 401k, IRA. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to give you that little bit update. I did that video on Viacom, now Paramount Global. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys again.